What's up YouTube, simply Yugioh here, and as promised on my last video, on my mail day, that I'll be opening these 8 packs. This is what I'll be doing in this video. I'm hoping for some awesome pulls. I'm not usually very lucky on these, so fingers crossed, you know. Hoping for about 4 hollows or something, I don't know, something like that anyway. Let's just gonna get straight into it and, you know, see how well I do. Oh. I've actually got a lot more of these packs as well, so I'll probably end up opening a lot more on the channel. Straight flush. Instant fusion. Man Beast of Arceus. Storm Shooter. Oh, hollow for the first one. Sweet. Barrier statue of the Torrent. Abaki. Sweet. I'll sleeve that up now. Not bad, nice. My card, the first one, eh? Sweet. Nice super. I'll do one of each kind of thing, so I'll start, you know, yeah. See how we get on. Hater, the Fire Charmer. Elemental Hero Claymon. Oh, Ultimate Insect level 7. Sweet. First edition as well. Oh, sweet. Nice pull. Guardian Statue, Monk Fighter, Mispolarization, and Shifting Shadows. Oh, that is a sweet card, that. Look at that. Beautiful. Put that in. Oh, it's not too bad so far. 2 hollows of these. You know what I've actually got? Another pack of this as well, which I just found, so I'm going to open this one as well, guys. So it's actually 9 packs. Just saw it on the side then, so see if we get anything out of this. Instant fusion. Straight flush. Straight. Oh, look at that. What a beautiful card. I've actually been after this as well, and that is amazing. I did not expect to get that, guys. I literally just saw it on the side. I bought a load of these off someone off Instagram a while ago, and I just saw it on the side, so I thought I'd add it to this. Wow. What a pull, guys. Wow. That is all I'm saying. Fantastic pull. Fantastic card. Queen. Wow, that is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to sleeve that up because that will be getting sent off to be graded, I think. I mean, I don't even want to... I mean, it's flawless. Look at that. Obviously packed fresh. Sweet card. I'll be quite disappointed if that doesn't get a 10, to be honest. I'm not going to lie. So I'll just leave that up. Probably the best card to get in that pack, I think, to be honest. Ultimate rare as well. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. Well, my luck's not usually this good, to be honest, guys. I mean, I know I've got a video that I need to upload as well, which is absolutely shocking, which I opened a load of packs and I literally got nothing. So yeah, I'll be uploading that as well. Rock Bombardment. Brain Control. Forgot that's actually in this pack. Guardian Statue, Monk Fighter. Yeah, it's not the best of hollows, but it's a hollow, isn't it, at the end of the day? Brain Control. It's probably only worth about £1 or 2, isn't it, really? Still a sweet card for the old collection, I suppose. I'm going to do another one of these now, as we did have an extra pack. Can this luck continue? Barrier Statue, Justy Break. We have, Vanity's Ruler. I actually thought that I had another one then. That would have been absolutely sick if I had another one as well. I literally generally thought then I had 2 of them. But yeah, of course you can get a rare as well, can't you? So I'll sleeve that up anyway because it's quite a sick rare. Absolutely made up of them. Absolutely made up. Oh. Come on. So yeah, our luck ended, but to be honest, it's probably the most valuable rare in the pack. In the set, should I say. Elemental Hero. Oh, Ultimate Insect again. Monk Fighter. Same card again. Wow. That's not a bad super like, so I'm happy with that. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So, not too bad yet. Not too bad at all. This is looking good. I will sell all these. Obviously, I'm not going to sell Vanity's Roulette because I will be sending that off to get graded. But the rest of the cards, I am willing to sell. I can't even get this pack open. Gotta be careful. Instant Fusion, Man Beast of Vegas. Oh, cyberdark Horn. Sweet. Alien Mars. Queen's Bodyguard. Corruption Cell A. Let's leave that up. That's not too bad. Not too bad for the super, is it? Sweet. So we've got 2 packs left. I want to finish on Lost Millennium because I actually prefer that. Set, so I'll finish on that one. Oh god, I cannot get. Wow, struggling to actually get this pack open. Trying to keep the packs in good condition. I'm going to collect them all because I'm going to send simply casual Yugioh stuff to the site. Vanity's Call, Cyber, Mystical Wind. Counter Cleaner. Still not bad. Nice rare. Can't really complain. Yeah, can't really complain so far, can I? So that's what we've got so far. We've got 1 more pack. Let's see what we can get in this. Can we get Ancient Gear Golem? That would be a sick pack. That would be a sick one, wouldn't it? That would be absolutely amazing. Elemental Hero Clayman. And we have a Mega Rock Dragon. Monk Fighter. Double attack. Oh well, it is a hollow I suppose, but you know what? I can't complain. Out of how many packs did they open? 9. 9 packs. Was it 7 hollows? I think. Yeah. 9 packs, 7 hollows. You cannot complain with that. That's absolutely amazing. And obviously I pulled Vanity's Ruler, which I'm absolutely made up with. That we're getting sent straight off to PSA. If that does not get a 10, I'll be very, very disappointed, put it that way. It's flawless. Actually thought he had 2 as well, but hey ho. Yeah, and that's it guys, basically for the video. And you know, if you've enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, as I will be doing a lot more of these videos. And trying to get, a lot more followers and stuff, and so yeah, please subscribe if you can. Leave some comments below. I'll try to get back to everyone who comments. And thanks again for watching, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.